The Marine Corps F-35B variant may be the most complex. However, all three Lightning II types are equally formidable and will remain critical to America's aerial prowess for decades. Derived from the Joint Strike Fighter program, the F-35 Lightning II was the product of the revered Skunk Works team, which was tasked with developing an advanced short takeoff or vertical landing for both the Marine Corps and Air Force. By the mid-1990s, all the big names in manufacturing, including Northrop Grumman, Lockheed Martin, and Boeing, submitted design proposals to fit the bill. The American-made F-35 Joint Strike Fighter has become arguably the most coveted fighter jet across the globe. The fifth-generation platform possesses unparalleled stealth, allowing it to evade enemy detection and enter contested airspace. The F-35B is indeed one of the most modern and advanced stealth fighter jets in the world. It is a variant of the F-35 Lightning II family of aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin. The B designation in F-35B indicates its ability to perform short takeoffs and vertical landings, making it suitable for operation from aircraft carriers, amphibious assault ships, and from longer runways and conventional bases. The platform's short takeoff or vertical landing capability makes the F-35B variant the most mechanically complex version of the Lightning II in service. Due to its lifting fan position, the F-35B has less internal storage capacity than its counterparts. As detailed by the platform's manufacturer Lockheed Martin, short takeoff or vertical landing operation is made possible through the patented shaft-driven lift fan propulsion system. This propulsion approach overcomes many of the temperature, velocity, and power challenges of direct lift systems. The F-35B short takeoff or vertical landing variant is operated by the United States Marine Corps, the United Kingdom, and the Italian Air Force. Lastly, the F-35C carrier variant is designed for aircraft carrier operations and is operated by the U.S. Navy as well as the USMC. All three models of this aircraft share similar performance traits alongside sophisticated cutting-edge avionics. The Marine Corps' variant notably became the first supersonic, radar-evading stealth fighter in history to possess short takeoff or vertical landing capabilities when it entered service. This feature allows its users to attain service-specific mission capability due to the differences between models while still benefiting from the economies of scale brought about by the parts and procedures that are shared by all three variations.